Hi guys, okay, we're gonna keep this one really short. The channel has reached 130,000 subscribers, so a giveaway is in order, and someone of you is gonna get a beautiful watch just in time for Christmas. Before we continue with anything else, I just want to warn you about the scammers in the comment section that keep popping back whenever I do these giveaways. I'm never gonna contact you via the comments. I'm never gonna ask you any kind of payment for any shipping cost, because when I do these giveaways, I ship the watch at my own expense, and the only possible expense you might have are import duties and taxes, but those are going to get charged by your customs office, not me or some random YouTuber. So please ignore those scammers. Now, the giveaway watch is going to be a Marnaut Dark Surge. Marnaut is from my own country, Croatia, and I featured their Seascape 200 on my channel. This is their top dog diver, 300 meters of water resistance, Sellita SW200 sapphire crystal, and it's an $800 watch. The full review of this watch is coming out this Sunday, so stay tuned for that review so you know what you're gonna get if you win this giveaway. To participate in the giveaway, you have to be my subscriber, so if you're not subscribed, please do so now. Like this video and comment down below. Next Wednesday, I'm gonna pick one of you, or the online random comment picker is gonna pick one of you, and then you're gonna contact me via the email that I'm gonna put in the description of that video. Like I said, the review of this watch is coming this Sunday, so stay tuned for that. Now, this watch comes on a rubber strap, a tropical rubber strap, as it's supposed to, but despite me being one of those guys that cringes when someone puts a leather strap on a dive watch, I just had to put this brown leather strap because I saw an online photo of it with one and I just loved the look. I've been wearing it for a couple of weeks. The watch is simply amazing. The lume, the quality, everything is top notch. Anyway, so that's it when it comes to this one. So please like and subscribe, comment below, and good luck to everyone. I'll see you next Wednesday or this Sunday if you're gonna tune in to see the full review of this. Thank you for watching, and thank you to Marnaut for supplying this watch as a giveaway present. That's it, so see you in the next one. Bye.